everyone, my name is Tuan. I'm 7 years old. Today, I'm going to tell you about story Wild Cats. Chapter 1. Wild Cats. There are wild cats all around the world. Cats live in cold places and in hot places. Cats live on the ground or in trees. The snow leopard is a big cat. It lives in snowy mountains. It has thick fur to stay warm. The margray lives in the rainforest. It can climb well and it lives in trees. The black-footed cat is a little cat. It lives in hot places. It can't climb well. It lives in holes in the ground. Thank you for listening and